Hello, my name is Philipp Helmich. I'm the Senior Vice President for Chassis Control, and I'm in charge for the product line for braking, steering, ADAS, and foundation brake. I think Yutong is a superior company in the industry. They are really leading a lot of different fields, coming from electrification, automation as well. They are extremely good in the digitalization and service world. Yutong has sold more than 196,000 NEVs around the world, which is a kind of simulation if you would look for the CO2 emission of 28.6 million tons or 140,000 acres of planted wood. So it's dramatic what they have achieved in the last years. So Yutong and ZF are collaborating in many fields. Nearly all products are related in our cooperation, coming from AMT, from ACAS, from braking, from ADAS, and many others. ZF and Yutong together can provide everywhere the right standard, the right product to be first in the market and leading the respective segment. Yutong has reached a very sophisticated level in the driver assistant technology. In example, AEB, the automatic emergency braking, is not only with a legal 20-kilometer reduction, they basically go to the reduction from 80 to 0 kilometers, which is really an excellent standard and giving much more than what the legal requirements are looking for. And we have started the first in-depth cooperation, how to achieve these targets, how to bring these NCAP features into a realistic and good working module. And I'm very confident that as we have done it for GSR, together Yutong and ZF will bring superior technology to our customers. There are three major industry trends: automation, then digitalization and electrification. Yutong is massively integrating in their products. If it's the digitalization with their service network, with their fleet service software, as well with our technology on electrification. And we are looking forward from ZF to have further close cooperation with Yutong on this field and elaborate and bring really value to the customer.